Uh, Regarding IB education, I've been working with a number of children since last 15 years, going in over 50 schools, SSC board schools, ICSE schools, CBSE schools, and IB schools. Now, the IB schools have come in lately, but the difference which I have seen in this education and the conventional education system is the conventional education system is very structured. It has a syllabi which has to be followed, age-related syllabi, standard-related syllabi, which focuses mainly just on academic skills. Whereas when I have been through this process of IB school with NES since last 2 years, what I have seen is it is more of orientation with skills, all skills which may relate to living, not just academic skills. So this is one difference which I have seen, especially with this institute, because I've been to other institutes also where space is a constraint, but here in this institute what I have seen is that they have enough space, lot of activities, very competent staff, and I'm really happy with the way IB education is taken care of over here. So that was one aspect about it. Compared to the global scenario and Indian scenario, as I was just telling you some time back, is our culture focuses more on just qualities of education. That is why probably in Silicon Valley today we have maximum Indians as programmers. But the innovation required to take things ahead is probably little lacking in our people. Today's education, this IB education, I think is a step ahead of that to help our students to look into the global scenario in an innovative manner, just not in an academic or a qualification manner. So this is what I would like to say. And my experience with NES International Mulund has been that the staff, the faculty and the managing trustees are proactive to parents and child education both. Thank you.